Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a 4th of July inspired look. I wanted to keep it simple and just kind of go with a bold lip. I don't know if you guys have any plans, if you guys are actually going to go out and see some fireworks, or if you guys are going to stay home and just hang out and read a book or whatever it is that you're doing. I hope that you guys take a few minutes out of your day, come and join me in getting ready for the day. So I'm actually going to start off with my eyes. It's going to be pretty simple. Basically just give my eyes some contouring. I'm going to apply some lashes, do my liner of course, and then go with a nice bold red lip. I think that's perfect for the occasion. And the palette that I'm going to use for this look is going to be the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And I'm going to start off by applying this shade right here. This is Orange Soda. And I'm going to apply that on my crease and just blend it out. I was stuck between doing a soft eye and a bold lip, or a glam eye and a bold lip as well. But I thought, oh, let's just keep it simple because, you know, nobody has much time to do their makeup. People just want to really go. But this will be pretty fast. I'm just gonna contour a little bit on my eyes, give it a little depth, a little definition. And this is the Morphe M513 brush. And now I'm gonna dip into burnt orange. I'm just gonna deepen the crease a little bit more and just blend that out. Again, nothing too fancy. This is something that you can wear on a daily basis, not just for this occasion, of course. Just blend that out. We went shopping today, wanted to go to Walmart and pick up some lounge chairs and stuff like that because we're just gonna be hanging out outside. Watching the fireworks and stuff and just having a good time with the family and the neighbors. Okay, now for the lid, I am actually going to go pretty simple. Once again, I'm gonna pick up this really light shade right here. It's called Tempera, and I'm gonna use this Colored Rain brush. It's a shadow brush that I got and it looks like that. I really like how it packs on shadow. So once again, I'm sort of kind of cutting the crease a little bit with this. Just bringing it all the way in to the inner corner. And just bringing it up to where you would cut your crease. So I'm gonna pick up that same brush again, and I'm just gonna go over the edges. Now I'm gonna do my liner, and for this I'm going to use my Stila Stay All Day waterproof liner. Okay, so now I'm just gonna apply some lashes. All right, my beautiful people, that's all I'm gonna do on my eyes. So now I'm just gonna go to my face, and once again, I'm going to use the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation. Just a wee bit all over my face, nothing too crazy. And I'm going to blend it out with this Morphe brush, this Morphe foundation brush. It doesn't even have the information on it right now, so I don't know what number it is to give it to you guys. But it's a kabuki brush, after that, I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just pat over it a little bit, because I do feel that with a brush it kind of leaves marks. So I'm just going over it. Oh, and my skin, guys, my skin is so dry. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Anastasia setting spray, and I'm just gonna put that on my face. Just a little bit to kind of hydrate the foundation, because my skin is super dry. And just go over it. You see that nice glow that it gives it. That's what I want. I have to let that sink in, or let that dry a little bit before I go in with the concealer. But today I'm going to use the Juvia's Place concealer in the number 18. And I'm just going to apply that and correct my under eyes. Now the Beauty Blender, guys, is meant to be is meant to be used wet, but for concealer, I don't like to use it wet, because I feel like the coverage is better. So now I'm just gonna take my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm going to quickly set my under eye. I'm trying to see if this is what's causing the teariness in my eyes. So I'm just really, I've always been applying the smallest amount, nothing too crazy, but hopefully it doesn't cause that teariness in my eye. Now all I'm gonna do in my lower lash line is just apply mascara. I don't want to do anything too crazy. I want to keep it simple once again. Now this concealer, you guys, everyone's been raving about it and stuff, but now I know why I bought it, and they put it right on that dresser. Now I remember why. I don't know if you guys can see, but right there, there's kind of patches. I don't really like how that looks. That's why I stick to my tried and true L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear concealer. This is the shiznit right here. Anyways, now back to the face. Let's go pick up my BB right here, the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, and apply some of that right there. And right there. And I think this is this the only thing that I'm gonna do for today? I don't know. Probably bronze up the skin a little bit. I'm going to use this Smith Cosmetics 118 brush, and I'm going to pick up the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Rich Amber. And I'm gonna give myself a little bronze. So what are you guys gonna be doing for the 4th of July? I would love to know. If you guys can leave it in the comments down below. Are you guys just gonna like barbecue, stay home? Are you guys gonna go out away and get together with family and stuff like that? Like, that's usually what we do. Alright, so now it's time to do my lips, and this is the one part that's going to be very bold. As you can see here, I have a whole bunch of red lipsticks, and I think I'm going to pick, I don't even know the names of these lipsticks right now. I just depotted them and put them in here for my use. So I think I'm going to go with this very beautiful bluish red here. Now I'm going to take these two brushes right here. These are both Smith Cosmetics brushes. This is the Smith 304 brush, and this is the Smith 302 brush. And I'm gonna outline my lips with this one and then just fill it in with this one. this is it for that red lipstick. What do you guys think? I love a good bold red lip. So now all I have to do is my hair, and I will be right back to show you guys the final results. That's it, guys. This is the final look. I basically just curled my hair with this wand. I didn't do a very tight curl. It's more of a wave, just so you guys can see that you can kind of play around with this and get different strokes for different folks. But anyways, yeah, I love how it turned out. The makeup turned out great as well. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful 4th of July, whether it's with your family, with your neighbors, if you're staying at home, or whatever it is that you're doing. I hope you guys enjoy yourselves. And until next time, bye.